Welcome! So today I'll be walking you through how to make my obsession right now, granola smoothies. So, it all starts with how we're going to make it. So this is my blender that I have. It makes a single cup. And here are all of my ingredients. Feel free to substitute and leave things out or whatever you may have, but in the end all, this is what I'm using. And here are the measurements for everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and place everything into the blender. This is the first time I'm using all of these berries. Usually I'm only using one or two types of berries, and I'll substitute more things than the other things. So everything's different every time I make it, but this is the best granola smoothie I have ever made. The calories and macros are also going to vary depending on how much granola you're using. I don't really measure my granola because it makes my heart happy. You also don't have to include protein powder or collagen. I just like to do it to make it more impactful for my nutrition. After you blend your first time, you're going to want to put crushed ice in there and blend it a couple times so you get that smoothie and thick consistency if that's what you want, because at this point it kind of has the consistency of juice. But now we're done. I also don't suggest making a mess like I did, geez. But we clean up nice, so. I don't really measure the granola or honey or lemon that I put on the top of it, so that's not included into the calories. It just makes my heart happy. And that is it. It is seriously just that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you liked it and to see more. Thanks. Toodles.